Hey guys, I decided to make this video because you know what, I noticed that most of us go to stores to shop, and then we use the store touchpad because that's the only option to make the payment through credit card, or even if you want to make payment through the debit card. So I decided to stop the contamination, to break the chain of this coronavirus. I have decided to make this video where you can add the Samsung Pay by clicking on the Samsung Pay. Here you can store your credit card so that you don't have to touch the touchpad to enter the number. All you have to do is click on the Samsung Pay, click on Get Started. Then here you get to choose, it's called Samsung Pay PIN. You choose any PIN you want to choose. I chose 1978. Confirm your PIN again. I choose 1978. It could be 2008, 2012, any PIN you want to choose. And then it asks you all this information here. Then you choose the click on card. It says add a card here. Click on that option. Then you have the add new card, or Samsung Pay Cash, or add PayPal. I noticed in iPhone you don't have this PayPal option, but in Samsung you have this PayPal option where you can add your PayPal, which is really cool. I like it. Click on that. Then it says Samsung Pay, take a picture and record, hit allow. It's requesting you to access your photo media section, hit allow. And then here you can put your card, and it's gonna scan the card which you want to store. There you go, it gets your card. It's asking you for the cardholder's name. You put the name, and then the expiration date on the card. You have to put the full name because it's a credit card, it has to authenticate. Then it checks the expiration date, and it's asking for the security code. Security code is behind your card. Enter the security code, asking you zip code, and hit next. Now what it does, it's validating your information. It's connect to your bank. Once it goes through, then it asks you to go through the terms and conditions section. Agree to all, and here you go, your card is activated. It sends a basically it sends an SMS to your phone. Your phone is connected, so it gets a pin. You enter the pin information. Give me 1 second. So I got the pin 455715, and it does and hit submit button. It's looking for the authentication. There you go. It's asking that should you save the card as a default card, or later you choose set default card. For me, I'm choosing it. And if there is another default card, it's asking if you want to replace it. If not, you can hit replace. I said no here, and then there you go, your card is saved. So next time when you go to any shopping place, any grocery stores, or any of the mall or anywhere, all you have to do is instead of using the touchpad, all you do is just show this phone while getting into the pay section, and you'll pay, and then you just move out safely. Contamination doesn't happen. It's very safe, and let's break the chain. Thank you.